Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your premier destination for self-improvement and personal growth. We're here to guide you on a transformative journey, providing you with the tools and insights to help you flourish. At HouseLux Estate, our mission is to empower you to become the best version of yourself. Our content is designed to encourage, inspire, and challenge you, taking you on a path of continuous development and self-discovery. Today, we're delving into an essential aspect of personal growth: setting realistic personal development goals. It's not just about setting goals, it's about setting the right goals. Goals that are challenging but achievable. Goals that stretch you but don't break you. Goals that propel you towards your desired future with enthusiasm and determination. So, buckle up for an enlightening journey and prepare to navigate the path of personal development with more confidence and clarity. In this video, you will learn how to set achievable personal development goals that will transform your life. Setting realistic goals is not just about dreaming big, it's about making those dreams achievable. You see, the act of setting goals is like creating a roadmap for your personal journey. It helps you chart your course and navigate through life's twists and turns. But the crucial aspect is to ensure that these goals are realistic. Why is realism so important in goal setting, you ask? Well, it's quite simple. Realistic goals provide a sense of purpose and direction. They guide you towards personal growth and self-improvement. They act as a catalyst, motivating you to push your boundaries and transcend your limits. However, there's another side to this coin. Unrealistic goals, those grand visions without a practical plan, often lead to disappointment and burnout. They set you up for failure, creating a sense of inadequacy and self-doubt. They make you question your abilities, causing unnecessary stress and anxiety. Let's look at it this way. Imagine you're a novice runner, and you set a goal to run a marathon in 1 month. Without proper training, this goal is not just daunting, but it's potentially harmful. You could injure yourself, or worse, lose your love for running altogether. Instead, if you set a realistic goal, like running a 5K in 1 month, you're setting yourself up for success. You're giving yourself a challenge that's within your reach and, most importantly, achievable. As you cross the finish line, you feel a sense of accomplishment, a boost of confidence, and a surge of motivation to set and reach your next goal. Realistic goals are stepping stones on your path to success. They help you build momentum, gain confidence, and foster a mindset of continuous growth. They make the journey towards your dreams enjoyable and fulfilling. So whether it's learning a new skill, improving your health, or advancing in your career, remember to set realistic goals. Break down your dreams into smaller, achievable tasks. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Remember, the key to success lies in setting goals that are challenging yet achievable. Now, let's delve into the process of setting realistic personal development goals. Step 1. Self-assessment. This is the foundation of your journey. You need to know where you stand before you can chart a course forward. Think of it like a GPS. It needs your current location to guide you to your destination. In self-assessment, we take stock of our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, often referred to as a SWOT analysis. For example, if you want to improve your public speaking skills, a strength could be your ability to articulate ideas clearly, while a weakness could be nervousness when speaking in front of large crowds. Step 2. Defining what success looks like. This is your destination. It's crucial to have a clear, tangible image of what your success looks like. It's not enough to say, I want to be a better public speaker. Instead, try something like, I want to confidently deliver a 10-minute speech to an audience of 50 people without relying on notes. This specificity helps you focus your efforts and makes your goal more achievable. Step 3. Creating a plan. This is your roadmap. Once you know where you are and where you want to go, you need to plot a course. Your plan should include actionable steps that will move you closer to your goal. If we're sticking with the public speaking example, your plan might include joining a local Toastmasters club, practicing speaking in front of friends and family, or taking a public speaking course online. Step 4. Setting timelines. This is your schedule. Just like a road trip, you need to have an idea of when you'll reach certain milestones. Setting timelines helps you stay on track and provides a sense of urgency. It also allows you to measure your progress. For your public speaking goal, you might set a timeline of delivering that 10-minute speech in 6 months. Step 5. Regularly reviewing progress. This is your progress check. It's vital to periodically review your progress towards your goal. This helps you stay motivated, allows you to adjust your plan if needed, and keeps you accountable. If you're not making the progress you expected in your public speaking journey, it might be time to adjust your plan or timeline. Remember, setting realistic goals is not about limiting yourself or selling yourself short. It's about setting yourself up for success by creating achievable goals that will stretch you and help you grow. It's about making your dreams tangible and giving yourself the best chance of turning them into reality. These steps are not a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather a flexible framework that you can tailor to your unique circumstances and aspirations. And remember, the journey towards personal development is not a race. It's okay to move at your own pace and adjust your goals as you grow and evolve. These steps are your roadmap to success. Follow them diligently, and you'll be on your way to achieving your personal development goals. While setting goals, it's equally important to be aware of common pitfalls. As we embark on this journey of personal development, we often find ourselves tripping over a few common mistakes. Let's discuss them, shall we? Firstly, many of us fall into the trap of being overly ambitious. Yes, it's important to aim high, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Setting unattainable goals may lead to disappointment and frustration, which can derail our personal growth journey. We can avoid this by breaking down our goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This way, we can keep track of our progress and keep the momentum going. Secondly, we often forget the importance of specificity. A goal like "I want to get fit" is too vague. What does fit mean to you? Is it losing weight, building muscle, or perhaps running a marathon? When we set specific goals, it's easier to measure our progress and celebrate our victories, no matter how small they may be. Another common mistake is setting goals without considering our personal context. We often set goals based on what others are doing or what society expects from us. Remember, your personal development journey is unique to you. Your goals should align with your values, interests, and circumstances. Failing to review progress is another pitfall. It's easy to set a goal and forget about it, but tracking our progress is crucial. It helps us stay focused, motivated, and allows us to adjust our strategies if needed. Try to make it a habit to review your progress regularly. Lastly, don't forget to be patient and kind to yourself. Change takes time, and there will be setbacks along the way. Don't be too hard on yourself when things don't go as planned. Instead, use these experiences as opportunities to learn and grow. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can set yourself up for success. Remember, the journey to personal development is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep going, and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Setting realistic personal development goals is not just crucial, but it's also a skill that can be honed with practice. It's about balancing your ambitions with your abilities, ensuring you're not setting yourself up for failure or disappointment. We've explored the steps to set these goals, starting with self-reflection, followed by breaking down your larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Remember, it's essential to make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. The SMART approach. We also discussed the common pitfalls to avoid, such as setting vague goals, ignoring your limitations, or not revisiting your goals regularly. These mistakes can hinder your progress and leave you feeling unfulfilled. Thank you for joining us today on House Lux Estate. Remember to subscribe for more self-improvement tips and strategies. Until next time, keep setting those goals and chasing your dreams.